In this comprehensive guide, we're going to delve into the top meal choices that combat arterial plaque buildup and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. But before we dive into these dietary strategies, let's take a moment to understand the inner workings of cardiovascular disease, with a specific focus on arterial plaque. Before we start exploring biofilms in your mouth and their surprising implications for your heart health, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. So what exactly comprises arterial plaque? It's a blend of calcium, protein, and cholesterol, often accompanied by calcium buildup from biofilms. Biofilms are communities of microorganisms that construct tiny calcium shells to shield themselves from detection. When you come across calcium-based plaque in your arteries, it may be a microbe colony. If your arterial walls were consistently smooth and robust, these biofilms might not accumulate. So what triggers their adhesion? This can be attributed to various factors like lesions, oxidation, inflammation, and damage caused by excess sugar in your diet. When arterial plaque accumulates, you're likely to encounter a specific type of LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, the small dense particle size. This is strongly associated with a high-sugar, high-carb diet. Cholesterol doesn't float freely in your arteries. It's transported in protein vehicles. In the case of arterial plaque, cholesterol arrives in the form of a band-aid, accompanied by calcium. Additionally, fibrous tissue acts like a protein cement, further complicating the situation. So given this insight, what can you do to prevent, slow down, or even reverse this problematic scenario? Vitamin K2 is a critical nutrient in controlling calcium distribution. It facilitates the transport of calcium to your bones, preventing its accumulation in soft tissues, including arteries and joints. Pathogenic oral bacteria have been detected within arterial plaque, sparking curiosity about why these mouth-dwelling microbes are infiltrating the heart. The mouth houses a vast array of microbial diversity, comprising over 700 different species. Bacteria from the mouth can infiltrate your bloodstream. Maintaining adequate levels of vitamin C-rich foods in your diet becomes crucial. Foods rich in vitamin C can bolster your defenses. Equally important is vitamin C, which plays a vital role in preserving the integrity of your cardiovascular system. It prevents lesions within arterial walls and combats oxidative stress and inflammation. Therefore, you should prioritize vitamin K2, vitamin C, and vitamin E in your diet. Another crucial dietary aspect is the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to promote heart health and prevent arterial lesions. It's essential to minimize omega-6 fatty acid intake while significantly increasing your omega-3 consumption. Omega-3 fatty acids should feature prominently in your meals. Wild-caught salmon is a top choice, rich in omega-3s that support both arterial health and the heart muscle. Consuming adequate omega-3s can lower inflammation, and, in turn, reduce blood pressure. Next, consider sauerkraut, a dietary powerhouse. It not only provides a whopping 7 times the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C, but is also incredibly dense in lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria aren't a single bacterium. They constitute a group of different strains often involved in fermentation processes. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage product, teems with these bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria serve multiple purposes, acting as ACE inhibitors to lower blood pressure, inhibiting biofilm formation, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease by promoting gut health. These bacteria also help regulate LDL cholesterol, especially the small dense particle size LDL. Additionally, they facilitate the production of secondary bile salts, which enhance the absorption of vitamins E, D, and K2, all of which support cardiovascular health. Sauerkraut is rich in vitamin K2, a fat-soluble nutrient that can help keep calcium out of your arteries. Interestingly, microbes can synthesize vitamin K2, and sauerkraut delivers a supercharged dose of this vital nutrient. Its multifaceted benefits include supporting gut health to prevent microbial translocation into the heart and bolstering your cardiovascular health through its diverse microbial population. Given its exceptional vitamin K2 content and vitamin C concentration, sauerkraut is a potent tool for inhibiting biofilm formation and countering arterial damage. Remember, biofilms can only adhere to rough or irritated surfaces. Smooth arteries are less susceptible to plaque accumulation. Completing your heart-healthy meal is a substantial arugula salad, which includes a range of components. Arugula surpasses regular lettuce as a salad green due to its cruciferous nature, offering liver support and blood glucose lowering properties. It contains DIM, which directly counters biofilm formation, fiber to nourish beneficial gut bacteria, and potassium to maintain artery suppleness and blood pressure regulation. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, significantly influences blood pressure and offers potent anti-inflammatory effects. Adding apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar contributes acetic acid, known for its positive effects on cardiovascular health, blood sugar regulation, cholesterol management, and bile salt mobilization. Sunflower seeds can boost your vitamin E intake, a vital nutrient for cardiovascular health. Garlic, whether in powder, raw, or fermented form, it is a heart-healthy addition to your salad, known for its blood-thinning, blood pressure-lowering, and antimicrobial properties. Now let's turn our attention to hard cheeses, specifically Parmigiano or Parmesan, which contains ample vitamin K2. Authentic Parmigiano cheese, traditionally produced by a collective of farmers in northern Italy, adheres to rigorous standards, aging for 1 to 3 years. This differs from American versions that are aged for shorter periods and may include fillers like cellulose. To benefit from the authentic product, shave it into your salad daily, ensuring you receive a delicious vitamin K2 rich cheese rich in protein and probiotics. Finally, we recommend incorporating garlic, either in powder or raw form, or fermented garlic, as it offers a range of heart-healthy benefits, including blood thinning, blood pressure reduction, and antimicrobial properties. Understanding the factors contributing to arterial plaque buildup is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. By incorporating vitamin-rich foods, omega-3 fatty acids, sauerkraut, and other heart-healthy options into your diet, you can make positive strides towards cardiovascular wellness. What dietary changes are you most excited to implement in your quest for a healthier heart? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and always remember that your well-being is the ultimate treasure. Here's to a life filled with vitality and abundant health.